What is this? What is this? We don't know. Anyways, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's definitely been a minute since I have posted a video, filmed a video. I mean, it's probably been months. Today though, I want to really just, I guess, reintroduce myself and kind of tell you where I'm going to be taking this channel moving forward. And I'm really excited about it. It's something that I've kind of wanted to dive into for a few years now. I used to make makeup videos, which yes, they are still up on my channel. You can see them. That was back in a time when I really was like super into makeup, and that was kind of like my outlet. My therapy was to sit down with you guys and do my makeup and talk. And that worked for a while, but I realized that it's not really my passion. My passions change quite often. You can ask anybody I know and that knows me. I'm a very, very indecisive person, and I always am constantly changing my mind, wanting to do new things, always wanting to try out something new. Fitness for me, okay, has been something that has been in my life for so long. And I feel like for a lot of people it's the same way, because we all are trying to, live our healthiest. Most of us are trying to live our healthiest and really try to take charge of our health. Just maybe it's because of a disease, or maybe it's because of you want longevity in your life. Everybody's reasons are different. Mine personally is just to basically extend my life out as long as possible. If I ever have kids, I would really like to be around to see my great-great-grandchildren, and that starts now. It has to. I can't just sit around anymore and pretend that like I'm healthy, because I know I'm not. I do have the biggest obsession with potato chips. Those are my weakness, and I will never be able to get rid of them. But I'm slowly teaching myself moderation. Very hard. Don't do it. I don't recommend that. It's just what we have to do to be able to achieve the goals that we want to do. From now on, this channel is really going to be about documenting my process to losing the weight once and for all and being able to keep it off, because I really just need something and people, like other people, to hold me accountable. I'm not very good at doing it on my own. Unfortunately, if I were, I wouldn't be in this situation, but here we are. So currently I weigh 185. I'll go ahead and insert before pictures here, just so you can kind of get a, read on my body type and what I'm working with. I believe the before pictures that I do have were taken about a month ago, because that's kind of when I really decided to get serious about my fitness. But my goal is to lose about 45 to 50 pounds-ish, right around in there. I'm currently 185.2, I think is what I last measured, weighed myself at, and I am 5'4". So it's not that I want to lose the weight for looks, but I know I've done a few weight loss journeys that have failed in the past, but I did lose a significant amount of weight, about 20-ish plus pounds, and it made me feel so freaking good. So I just want to get back. I want to get back to that feel good, not have to worry about not wanting to wear jeans every day of my life, because I don't wear jeans and I hate it with my entire soul. But I want to get to the point where I don't have to worry about feeling like that. I want to feel good. I want to feel like, I'm healthy. And for some reason, this past month, I've just kicked my ass into gear, and I think this is the one that's gonna stick. I need you guys to help me be accountable. I plan on probably uploading twice a week. I'm thinking right now Wednesdays and Saturdays. My Wednesday videos for sure are going to be my fitness videos. So that would be anything from working out to recipes to, maybe review videos of challenges I'm going to do, or maybe, it's like a week of workout for a week with me, or whatever it may be. That video is going to be solely based on my fitness process and me discovering, nutrition and all of that. My Saturday videos, I kind of hope that they're going to be more of follow me in my life type situation. Really, this video is just my introduction to you guys. It's kind of like a reintroduction, if you will, for this channel in general, because I haven't posted in so long, and it's definitely time to change that. I want this channel to be more honest with you guys. I mean, I want to give you everything, the highs and the lows, losing weight, gaining weight, figuring out nutrition, figuring out what fitness works for me, what I enjoy most. And I want you guys to come along with me, and I hope you enjoy this as much as I enjoy really being able to sit down and talk fitness with people. I want this to be more of a community where we can lift each other up and really help each other for those that are struggling. I am ready to get started on this process. I could say journey, but usually journeys have an end, and I don't feel like this will ever have an end. And I'm not saying that's like a bad thing, but it's just, I feel like to me, calling it a journey means it has a start date and an end date, and I don't like that. I want this to be how I live my life for the next 60 years. I want to be healthy in every aspect. I want to work out, and I want to eat correctly, and I want to help others do that as well through this channel. And I really hope you guys find that sense of community as far as being able to hold each other accountable and find that external motivation, because it can be so difficult trying to find the internal motivation to be able to do things. It sucks. It just sucks. I hope you guys enjoy this new direction we're going in. For all of those that are new, my name is Kaylee, and welcome aboard. Welcome aboard the weight loss ship. We are setting sail, and we're just gonna go. So come along for the ride. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.